Mabuhay ma, my name is Dave Palma from BHM1C. Number 1, Albay. Among the province of country, Albay had highest promotion of household population who respond Roman Catholic in religion application of 1.3 million response of 96.2% of the 1.37 million household population in the province, and was followed by Catanduanes and Eastern Samar. Counter other provinces post proportion higher than 90% HD. Albay, perfect nga albay sa buong bansa, 96.2% na tao doon na talokilo bilang sabihin na halos lahat 1.32 katao out of 1.37 million total. Sunod sa Catanduanes 95.6% at Eastern Samar naman ay 95.3% na may 40 na probinsya na 90% pataas. Number 2, in term of number, the top 3 province in highest number of Roman Catholic were Cebu with 3.14 million person, Batangas with 2.72 million persons, and Camarines Sur with 1.92 million persons. Cebu, ang pinakaaktibo na bilang ng tao, iba yung profession na bilang kung dami ng tao at ang usapan. Number 1, Cebu 3.4 million, Tacoliko, Batangas 2.72 million, Camarines Sur 1.92 million. Kahit mas maraming Katoliko sa Cebu, mas mataas pa rin percent ng Albay kasi mas maliit population ng Albay. Number 3, Brahm or Islam. Islam was the most problematic region in Brahm accounting of 4.49 million person or 90.9% of the 4.94 million household population in the region, was followed by Region 8 Zamboanga Peninsula with 18.2%, Sac-Sargent with 15.8%, Region X Northern Mindanao with 8.5%, and Region 8 Davao Region and Mimaropa Region with 3.5% each. Other world hand Region 10 Caraga with also Mindanao regards as the promotion. Islam is only 0.5% of this region from portion regarding from 1% each. Bicol and Region 4 Region 6 Western Visayas 1.3% in NCR Brahm. Sityo ng Islam Pinas, maraming Bangsamoro region sa Mindanao, 90.9% Muslim. Dun divide 4.49 million katao. Sobrang demand ng Islam dun sa ibang region. Sobrang baba ng Caraga, 0.5%. Bicol ay 0.1%. Western Visayas ay 0.1%. Number 6, Number 4, Tawi-Tawi. Of the province of country, Tawi-Tawi regard highest proportion for household population who respond Islam their regions with 426,000 person or 97.2% of the 438.548 household population, and provides and other province of Bram regarding promotion highest than 89%, namely Intern Province Bram 36.3%, Sulu with 95% of Lanao del Sur with 94%, Bilasan with Basilan with 89.9% and Balisan 89%, Maguindanao with 38.5%, 5 other provinces in Mindanao, Lanao del Sur, Sultan Kudarat, Cabanatuan, Zamboanga Peninsula, and Sarangani and province in the Mimaropa region post double-digit promotion in household population with percent is Islam. Tawi-Tawi. Pinaka-Muslim per with buong bansa kung Albay ang percent ang number 1 sa Katibo. Tawi-Tawi naman ay number 1 sa Islam, 97.2 Muslim dun 46k katao lahat ng probinsya sa Bram 89% mataas Muslim. Sulu ay 95.2%, Lanao del Sur ay 94.7%. So that's all, ma'am. Thank you.